Welcome. This is your time to pause, to breathe, to return to stillness. No matter where you are, find a comfortable seat. Gently close your eyes and let's begin. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your lungs expand. Hold and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your shoulders soften. Again, breathe in and breathe out. With every breath, you are becoming more present, more grounded. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension. Now allow it to melt away. Slowly move your awareness down to your face, your neck, your shoulders. Feel each part relaxing with every breath. Keep scanning through your arms, chest, stomach, legs, down to the soles of your feet. Your entire body is now at ease, at peace. Now, imagine a calm lake at sunrise. The water is still, like your mind. Nothing to fix, nowhere to be. Just stillness, just you. Breathe into this space. Feel how peaceful it is to just be. Before we return, take a moment to thank yourself for choosing peace, for being present, for simply breathing. Repeat quietly in your mind, I am calm. I am centered. I am grounded. Let these words settle in your heart. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Return refreshed and aligned. Thank you for meditating today. Thank you for reconnecting with your peace. Thank you for refreshing your spirit. Thank you for taking this moment to return to stillness. Welcome to your moment of peace and wellness. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.